thought it would be fun to make a miniature bedroom. I did some research and found these. And when I say miniature, I mean tiny. I have no idea what I'm getting myself into. I have never made one of these. I heard it takes a lot of time, a lot of patience. Everything is so little and you build everything. I actually got 2 different kits. I really liked some furniture pieces in one, but I really liked other appliances and furniture in the other. So I decided to get both. They're pretty inexpensive. I'm so excited to get into this and build this tiny little home. So let's just get in there and see what's inside. Oh my gosh, hold on. I just want to show you this because I'm just peeking inside and I see a refrigerator. You literally need tweezers for this stuff. This is crazy. There's an island on this one. There's a freaking island. Oh my gosh, this sectional is insane. Oh my god. I feel like I'm literally like building a house right now. And this one's such a vibe. See, I love the knickknacks on this one, but I like that table, so I'm gonna take that. So I went through both of the kits and decided what I was gonna use. So we went ahead and cut everything out. You definitely need some precise scissors because the things that you're cutting out are so small. The only way we kept this together so that we don't get confused is putting it onto tape in sections, kind of like in categories. We need to build the layout. Girl, where's the layout? Okay. I'm gonna start off with my staircase. These right here are the steps for your staircase, but here's the trick. You actually stick these onto these pieces so that they look like the stairs. We have the steps, and it also shows where you have to kind of like cut that edge a little bit so that it folds easier. So you would glue it like this. While my steps are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and go into putting the film on my handrails. All right, girl, so what do I do with this? Oh, okay. Our staircase is finally done. Look how cute this is. I'm gonna move on to getting the whole layout set up. Okay, we're starting to get into electrical stuff. We put this music box. There's literally music in this house. But not only that, there is lighting. Whoa, so this is how it's gonna start to look? Now that we have that, we're gonna go into making all of our little items in the restroom, from the mirror to the cabinets, to the sink, to the shower. Oh. Are you kidding? Look at this. It is tedious, but oh my gosh, seeing them come to life, it's a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun. I might just really get into this stuff. Now I'm gonna start putting stuff inside. First things first, I'm gonna glue in my shower head. She's gonna go somewhere right here. You turn it, yeah. So bam, it's gonna go right there in that corner. It's time for my toilet. What's funny is that, you know, obviously we had 2 kids, and this is the one that originally came with this kit, but I feel like it was just way too big compared to, like, you know, like the ratio of the other things in there. Like, I feel like this toilet is nearly as big as my shower. The other kit, the pink one, came with this toilet, which I think is actually perfect. Here, let's set this sideways. Okay, so I'm gonna stick my toilet. Wow, look at her, perfect. There.
Wow, floaty.
Oh my gosh, look at her. Okay, golden hour coming through the bathroom window. This is the selfie spot. There's something missing. The mirror. Oh my gosh, the bathroom is done. We're gonna put in the floor right there, girl, right there. Look at her. The handles are a little crooked because Squishy made them, but so she's gonna go right here. Look at it, looks so realistic. Why is it slipping? Oh my god, it's in the sink. It's in the sink. Roll the faucet's in the sink. Help.
It's crooked again.
You know what? Some sinks are crooked. Oh no, she's sliding, roll. There you go. We're gonna put a shelf right here. Okay, so
Oh, it's a little
what?
broken.
Roll, why'd you jinx it? It was perfectly fine until you said broken. More to the right. There. Bam, 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 bam. Bam. Now squeeze. Squeeze. Yeah. Squeeze the cheeks. I am just flabbergasted. I am living, you guys. I want to move in. Day 2. If you count the cutting, it's been about 7 days. Got my coffee. We got Squishy making some chairs.
Itty bitty chairs.
Oh my gosh. Look at these tiny mugs. I'm literally just gonna place them on here like so. Oh my gosh, look at this pot. It is so cute. It's gonna sit right here. Look at this tiny skillet, you guys. Bam! We got a cutting board for this center right here. This one was a high chair and it actually came broken, the piece. So I just stuck it on with some glue and it came out really crooked. And it's also not holding up, but I'm just gonna glue like one leg down. Okay, so far we have 2 rooms down. We have the bathroom and we have the kitchen. Every little detail you have to make. We made a faucet. We've made 2 faucets so far. We've made a shower. You have the whole countertop. You have the handles you need to make. That little pot right there with the boiling water, that was also made out of paper. This little saucepan right here actually was already assembled, but even the plates you have to make, there's a lot of things you have to put together. The vase, the flower vase, those little flowers, you had to make them. The mugs were made as well with paper. It's really fun, but it is a little bit tedious, but we have an entire kitchen down. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the second floor. So it's gonna be sitting like this. We got the desk going. We have the laptop. I also put this little plant on the desk, and I'm also gonna make the bed, which I'm really, really excited about. What day is it, Squish?
Like day 3, 4?
Assembling everything, it's about day 3. We got everything inside the house already. It felt like it took forever, but also at the same time, I'm not gonna lie, like this was really fun. So it didn't feel like a lot of work. 3, 2, 1. Look, it's so good. I can't believe this was like, what, 30 bucks? $30, $40? I love how the lighting, it just makes it a home. All right, let's do a little house tour, shall we? So when you walk in, where's the door? The first thing is the living room. I am so obsessed with this. This coffee table, I ended up choosing it from Blue Kit, but I did mix and match some items. So this bathroom, I was so obsessed making this because the little sink was one of the first things I made. I ended up switching the countertop from the pink set on here because I just wanted a mix of the pinks and the blues. It looks so good though. I am obsessed with these little kits. I just want to get a bunch of them and just build like crazy. They're so cute. Then right outside of that, there's a patio, of course, which I think it's so cute because like there's a staircase that goes up into the next level. It like saves space because right under it is the patio. We got some flowers, the light. Going into my favorite part of the house, the kitchen. In the kitchen, we got a whole setup. In the kitchen, we have a fridge, the stovetops. We have a pan on there. We have some boiling water. We have a vent, we have a sink, we have cutting boards with literally like food on them. The high chair, which came with a kit, we thought it was so freaking cute. Upstairs is a really cute little area. It's kind of like a loft. I love these transparent rails. I just like how everything's like open, you know? The staircase of it all, I think is so adorable. You walk up and we have this little plant. We have the desk and the chair. We have a little laptop. Even the laptop looks realistic. Bed, I thought it was pretty big. It looks really good. There's even slippers, like the slippers, really. I put this little bird right here in this window. I didn't put a curtain on this side because I like that you could look into it. And if I'm being honest, like I like open windows. I wouldn't put curtains here if I had this at my house. These over here, I did put some just because I thought it went with it. But the kitchen windows, I thought we would let the light come through, you know? And we have a cabinet over here with some little decor pieces on top, a little vase, a frame, and that's basically it. I mean, the whole thing came together so nicely. I totally forgot that this thing has music. Whoa, that was magical. This was definitely different to me, but I had a lot of fun. As always, comment down below any video suggestions you have. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.